Number 25, Heather's weekly pay varies directly. That means proportional. And it's going to have a constant variation to the number of hours she worked. So her weekly pay is Y, and the number of hours she worked is X. Her pay is $174 for 24 hours. So we're going to have Y over X. We're going to do 174 over 24. And then she's going to get 40 hours of work. And we want to find out her total pay. So we're going to multiply 174 and 40 and divide by 24. 24 times X is 24X. 174 divided by 40 times 40, equals 6,960. And now we're going to divide by 24. And we get $290. Okay, number 26 and 27 solved by graphing. So we need to make the lines look like y equal mx plus b. So right here we need to move over the 3x. So I'm going to write negative y equals, the 3x will turn negative, plus 4. So I'll move the 3x from the left to the right. Now I need to divide by negative 1 to make the y positive. I'm going to get y equal 3x minus 4. So our slope is 3 over 1. And our b, or our starting number, is negative 4. And I'm going to graph that in a minute. Let's do this one. Negative 3 plus 1 over 2x equals y. I'm going to flip this around. Y equals 1 over 2x minus 3. Notice I put my y here. The 1/2 x goes here. The negative 3 is here. My m is 1/2. And my b is negative 3. Okay, so I have my... This is what I need to graph. So I'm going to start at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my slope's 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. And go backwards, down 3. 1, 2, 3, and left 1. So this is my first line. One of these dots is going to be intersected by this line. So my next line starts at negative 3. Which is right here, and the slope is 1 over 2. It goes up 1 over 2, and this is the point where they intersect, right here. So this right here would be the point, and it would be 1 comma negative 1, wouldn't it? So if you put 1 negative 1 into both of the equations, you would get the answer equal. Number 27, okay, we're going to have 1 over 3y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3. We need to get rid of the fraction, don't we? So we're going to distribute the 3. This is y. The 3's cancel out. You'll get y equals, the 3's divide out to 1, negative 2x. The 3's divide out to 1 plus 2. So my m is negative 2 over 1, and my y-intercept is 2. I'll use that to graph the line. Right here I have 2x plus y equals negative 2. This is standard form, isn't it? I'm just going to move the x across. Y equal negative 2x minus 2. My slope is negative 2 over 1. And my y-intercept is negative 2. Notice that these have the same slope but different y-intercepts. There's going to be no solution in there, because the lines are parallel. I'm going to go ahead and graph them. One starts at 2 and goes down 2 over 1. It's going to do something like this. And one starts at negative 2 right here and goes down 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1, and it's going to do something like this. The two lines will be parallel. They won't cross, will they?